Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to get your blue search comment on TikTok. So what you want to do is of course go to TikTok, open it up, and look for a video that you want to do this one. So just take note guys that you can only do this if you're really related to the comment on the video. For example, right now this video is about Rick and Morty, and then I've commented something relating to Rick and Morty as you can see right there. Make sure it's going to be as close as possible. And what you want to do right there after you comment, you click your like button right there. So this video will be saved on your end. And then basically just close TikTok, close it basically as it is. Open it up one more time. And what we're going to do right now is go to your profile, go to the likes section so you can look for that specific video. Give it a good 5 to 10 minutes or 2 to 5 minutes. Go back to the video and basically your comment should be on blue. Just look for the one on your comment and it's going to be by blue as long as it's really related to the video itself. Alright, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.